Hi everyone, it's me. They said we were supposed to get rain. It's still kind of hot out here too. Because it's cooler in the garage than it is out here. But it's coming down. You can see the rain coming down. It is hotter than I thought it would be too. It's really warm out there. But we are getting the rain. I don't know if you can into the back door. They said something about a thunderstorm, so I guess we'll see. But it is raining like they said we were supposed to get. Surprisingly. I guess when I go to take the dogs out here in a little bit, they won't want to be out here because it's raining. But yeah, I'm going to stop it right here. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye.